today we want to make a bit of installation at bottom feeding room. Okay, my name is Sita Ashabati Zulkifli. I'm as an auditor. I'm Afka Adabita Adnan as personnel here. Okay. Hi Miss, can you show me a bottom feeding room? Okay, follow me. Alright. Here is our bottom feeding room. Okay, I want to ask you some questions. First, quality management system is implemented. Yes, we implemented a quality management system here, and everyone is obligated to follow all the quality management system that have been applied here. Okay, there is a quality policy. Yeah, we have quality policy statement here so that everyone can see and follow all the statement. Okay, there is an authorized person for quality unit. Yes, for quality unit we have authorized person which is me, myself. Okay. All deviations are documented and explained. For deviations, we don't really make documentation for that. So maybe we can implement that in the future. Okay. Quality unit ensure that calibrations are performed. Yes, I will come here regularly to watch all the workers work within the requirement and quality standard. Okay. Quality unit ensure that facilities and equipment is qualified. Yeah, of course. Before we start working and such, we will make sure that the machine and all the equipment is qualified and working properly. Yes. Okay. For plants and grounds, premises are free of beverages or breeding place for rodents, insects, and other pests. Yes, as you can see, we always keep our area and place clean so that there's no pests, insects, or any rodents wandering around here. Alright. Sufficient space is provided for placement of equipment, storage of materials, and for production operations. Okay, as you can see, the machine is quite large and it's there's still enough space for workers to work with the machine. So yes, it is adequate space and workers can work perfectly with the machine in this room. Okay. Floors, walls, and ceilings are constructed of easily cleanable materials and keep clean and in a good repair. Yes, all the floors, walls is easily clean. It's smooth and such, so it's easily cleanable. Yeah. Product contact surfaces are protected from contamination from pipes for our working area. Yes, for the surfaces, we will make sure when we work that the surfaces is always clean and we will sanitize it so that there will be no contamination with the product. Okay. Processing areas are protected against contamination from breakage of light bulb and other glass fixtures. Well, of course, if there is breakage of bulb and such, we will immediately clean that so that the area will always clean and we will prevent the products to have contamination with all that sort of problems. Okay. Air quality and ventilation is educated to prevent contamination by dust or other airborne substance. Yes, the air ventilation here, air circulation here is quite good, and we will make sure that the air ventilation will avoid all the dust and such to contaminate the product. Alright, okay. Doors, windows, and other opening are protected to eliminate entry by insect, rodent, and other pests. Yes, the door is secured. We will prevent all the insects and pests and such, so there's no entry for them to enter the room. Okay. Lighting, adequate for walking, cleaning, and or maintenance. Yes, as you can see, the light is quite bright, and every workers here can see clearly when they do work like cleaning, maintenance, and such. Okay. For equipment design and placement, okay. for its intended use?
Yes, as you can see, it's appropriate where there's a few nozzle for filling the bottle and such, and the size is quite large to produce a mass product.
Right. Is the bottle filling machine suitable for the purpose?
Yes, as far as we work with the machine, and yes, it's good in production. Yes.
Okay. Is the bottle filling machine suitable in the size?
As I said earlier, yes, it's suitable to make a mass production and such.
The bottle filling machine suitable in the design?
The design is quite good, and it is easily for us. This is where the bottle start, and it will fill here, and then the finished one will be there.
Are the locations in the facility of the bottle filling machine acceptable?
I'm sorry?
Location in the facility of the bottle filling machine acceptable?
We put every machine and equipment in the room, different rooms, so yes, it's suitable.
Acceptable. Is the bottle filling machine properly installed?
Yes, it's properly installed here, so it's easy for workers to work because the space is also good and such, and yes, there's not really any problem with the installment.
Okay, is there adequate space for the bottle filling machine?
Yes, as I said many times already, the space is also good and suitable for all the workers to work here.
Okay, the bottle filling machine clearly marked needs cleaning or clean ready for service.
We do not do that here. We just record if it has been clean or not, but we didn't mark if it is clean or not yet.
Are writing procedure available for bottle filling machine used in the manufacturing?
Yes, of course. We have SOP, standard operating procedure, for every machine and equipment here. So every worker will know how to use the equipment properly.
Okay, does the cleaning procedure or startup procedure ensure that the machine is systematically and truly clean?
Yes, of course. We have also SOP for cleaning, and the SOP is quite detailed and also approved. Yep.
Right. Okay, for equipment maintenance and cleaning, are written procedure established for the cleaning and maintenance of bottle filling machine?
Yes, for the maintenance and cleaning, we also have SOP so that everyone can refer to the SOP, so the cleaning and maintenance will be done properly, and it also approved. So yeah, there's not really a problem.
This procedure follow?
Yes, I as a quality unit, we will make sure that every workers follow the SOPs, so everything will be under control.
Okay, does a written procedure assign responsibility for the cleaning and maintenance of machine?
Yes, for the cleaning, there's responsibility for every user is responsible for the cleaning and such. Yes.
Okay, has a written schedule been established and is it follow for the maintenance and cleaning of machine?
Yes, for the cleaning, we have a schedule. The head cleaning will assign the next person to clean the machine equipment and such. Yes.
Okay, has the cleaning procedure been properly validated?
Yes, the cleaning procedures is approved by the quality unit itself, and it is approved.
Validated. Has a sufficiently detailed cleaning and maintenance procedure been written for bottle filling machine to identify any necessary disassembly and reassembly required to provide cleaning and maintenance?
Yes, in the standard in the SOP, it is made by the quality unit itself. So every detail in the SOP is for every inch of cleaning. So from the assembly and reassembly, and every inch of the cleaning is written in the SOP itself. Yes.
Alright. This machine clean properly after use?
Yes. There's a head cleaner will make sure all the equipment and all the machine is clean, very clean, so that when we will use it for the next time, it is easier for the workers to use.
Alright. Is clean machine clearly identified as clean with a cleaning date show on the equipment?
We just make reports for the cleaning. We do not really mark it as clean and such.
Okay. Is machine inspected immediately prior to us?
Before using the machine and equipment, the worker will make sure that the machine is properly running and in a good conditions before we start the production, so as not to make any mistake later.
Okay. Are writer record maintained on machine cleaning, sanitizing, and maintenance on or near the bottle filling machine?
There's a record of maintenance. Every maintenance made will be recorded here and also documented, and for the maintenance and also for the cleaning. The cleaning also record when it has been cleaned and maintained. It will be recorded and will be documented.
Okay, does the facility have approved writer procedure for checking and calibration of bottle filling machine?
For calibration, cleaning and maintenance, every SOP, every procedure, written procedure is approved by the quality unit. Yes.
Alright. Are records of calibration check and inspections maintained in a readily retrievable manner?
Yes, as I said, we record every cleaning, every maintenance, and every calibration, and so every record will be kept in the archive, so we can retrieve it when we need it. Yes.
Okay. For a sanitary operation, the facility is kept clean and in good physical repair?
Yes. For cleaning, we will make sure that the room after and before use it is clean, so the production will go smoothly. And also for repair, if there is any breakage, crack, or the machine broke or something, we will immediately contact someone to repair, and we will make sure that the repairment will be made as soon as possible, so the production will not just stop and such.
Okay. Cleaning of facility and equipment is conducted in such a manner as to avoid contamination of product?
We will make sure that when we clean, sanitize and such, there's no contamination, such as we use detergent and such. We will make sure, as the SOP stated, we will clean it thoroughly so that there's no any remaining detergents or such in the machine. So there's no contamination in the product.
The processing area maintained are free from insect, rodent, and other pests?
Yes. Of course, we will make sure that there's no pest, as that we contaminate our product. So that's why we will always keep our processing clean and in a good condition.
Okay. Insecticides and rodenticides are used and stored as to prevent contamination of product?
Yes, we use pesticides in this facility, and we store the pesticides in the storage room as we do not want any of the products, equipment, and such to contaminate with the pesticides.
clean and sanitize interval frequently and not to avoid contamination of products?
Yes, of course, we have a SOP, we have written schedule for cleaning and such. So cleaning will be made regularly as to make sure that everything is clean in a good condition, sanitized and such. Yes.
Responsibility for overall area sanitation specifically assigned to an individual?
Yes, as I said earlier, for the cleaning SOP and such, there's a head cleaner assigned, so they will make sure that every cleaning process is done properly.
Okay, processing is conducted in a manner to prevent contamination and minimize harmful microbiological growth?
Yes, when we make a production, when we process the product, we always keep a good sanitary and such, as we do not want to contaminate the product, so that's why we always keep the room clean and such, so the product will come out in a good quality.
Okay, thank you, Miss, for your information.
Thank you.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want to make a little bit of inspection at capsuling room.
My name is Sita Anshana Zulkifli. I'm as a personal in charge.
My name is Afika Alia Bita Adnan as auditor. Good morning, Miss.
Yes, good morning.
May I inspect your capsuling room?
Oh, can.
I will ask a few questions.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so here in this facility, is there a quality management system implemented?
Yes, here quality management system has implemented.
Okay. So is there a quality policy?
Yes, here we have a quality policy.
Alright. Okay. So it will be followed.
Yes, we will be follow the quality policy.
Okay. So is there an authorized person for quality unit?
Yes, I'm the authorized person. I'm a quality unit.
Oh, alright. So you are the person in charge for quality unit.
Yes, I'm the person in charge for quality.
Okay. So all deviations are documented and explained?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. So you do not document any deviation.
Oh no, I'm not documented.
Alright. Okay. So is the quality unit ensure that calibrations are performed?
Yes, the quality unit may ensure the calibration standard record. Here we have a table for the calibration standard record.
Alright. Okay. Okay. So is the quality unit ensure that facilities and equipment is qualified?
Yes, we will ensure that all the machine and equipment are qualified.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So is the premises here free from breeding places of rodents, insects, and pests?
Yes, we make sure this room free from any rodents and pests.
Okay, so is the space here sufficient for storage? I'm sorry, so for equipment placement and the workers?
Yes, the premise are suitable and space is sufficient for workers to work because it quite big.
Okay, so are the floors, walls, and ceilings constructed of easily cleanable materials and always keep clean?
Yes, we always keep ceiling, floor and
protected from contamination?
Yes, we make sure the product contact surfaces avoid from the contamination.
So, is the processing area protected against contamination from breakage of lights or any glass fixtures?
Yes.
So, if there is, in case there is breakage of light, what will you do?
We will call the person that will in charge the problem.
Oh, okay. So they will clean the mess inside.
Yes.
Are the air quality and ventilation is adequate to prevent contamination by dust and airborne substances?
Yes. Air ventilation is adequate for the to prevent from the contamination of dust.
Are the doors, windows, and any openings protected to eliminate entry by insects, rodents, and pests?
Yes. The door and the window are protected from the rodents and insects.
So any pests cannot enter?
Yes, any pests cannot enter from the door and window.
Are the lighting adequate enough for working, cleaning, and maintenance in your room?
Yes, the lighting is quite enough for the workers' work at this premise.
For the equipment here, is the capsule filling machine used for manufacturing process? Is it in appropriate design and size?
Yes, the machine is in appropriate design and size, so suitable for the capsule filling.
Okay. So is the capsule filling machine suitable for the purpose?
Yes, suitable for the purpose.
Is the machine suitable in their size and capacity for the production?
Yes, the machine is suitable for the size and the capacity for the production.
The machine is suitable in design.
Yes, the machine suitable. The design is suitable for the capsule filling process.
So, is the location the machine is located here? Is it acceptable?
Yes, because the machine is separate from the another machine.
Okay. So it has different room,
Different room for different machine.
Is there adequate space for the capsule filling machine here?
Yes, adequate because the machine separate with other machine. So one machine, one room.
Okay, so the workers also can work comfortably.
Yes, the worker comfortably to do their work.
Okay. Okay, so is the machine also placed in a designated area?
Yes, the machine is in designated area. Look at the area. The machine suitable at their area.
So for the capsule filling machine, it's designated here.
Yes.
Okay. So in this room only.
Yes.
For this machine, if cleaning process have been done, did you mark it with clean, or if it needs cleaning, you mark needs cleaning?
No, we not do it.
Oh,
Okay.
There's no marking needs cleaning.
Oh no, we are not mark any clean.
So
At this exhibition.
okay. Are there any written procedures available for how to use this machine?
Yes, we have a SOP how to use this machine. Yes, this is a procedure how to use this capsuling machine.
Okay. So does the cleaning procedure ensure that the machine is thoroughly clean?
Yes, yes, we have a SOP for cleaning. of this machine.
So it explained detail.
Yes, this SOP sheet has explained this detail how to clean this machine.
Okay, so are the written procedures established for cleaning and maintenance of the machine?
Yes. Okay, that is a SOP sheet for maintenance of this gas drilling machine.
Okay, so are these procedures followed?
Yes, we are follow this procedure.
Everyone?
Yes, everyone.
Okay. So does the written procedure assign responsibility for the cleaning maintenance? I mean, who's responsible to do the cleaning, the maintenance?
Yes, we have the person that responsible for the cleaning of the machine.
So it stated who's responsible for the cleaning inside.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so has a written schedule been established and followed for the maintenance and cleaning of machine? So I mean, a person, individual person is assigned to do the cleaning.
Yes, we have tables who will do the cleaning at this area.
So it is already assigned who will do the cleaning.
Yes, for the example, Rushdie at 20 July.
Okay. So has the cleaning procedure been properly validated?
Yes. The cleaning procedure has been validated. Okay. Yeah.
So it's validated by?
Validated by quality unit.
Has a detailed cleaning and maintenance procedure been written step by step in the procedure? I mean, for the cleaning and maintenance, is there detailed step by step from start?
Yes, in this SOP of cleaning for this machine, it's written the step by step how to clean the machine.
Okay. So is the there's SOP for cleaning step by step. So is the capsuling machine clean promptly after use?
Yes, we make sure that the person that responsible for clean this machine after use.
Okay. So everyone who uses is responsible.
Yes.
So are there written records of the cleaning maintenance? Is the records maintained near the capsule of the machine? I mean, if you clean, then you record it. Is there any record of the cleaning and maintenance?
Yes, we did that. We did a record.
For the maintenance also.
Yes.
And so if the machine has been cleaned, is there any sign, or I mean, is it identified as clean?
No, we are not doing.
Oh, alright, okay. So is the machine inspected immediately prior to use?
Yes.
And you inspect the machine?
Yes. Before use, we inspect the machine first.
Okay, so does this facility have approved written procedures for calibration of the machine?
Yes.
Okay.
We did it.
The calibration?
Yes.
So are the records, you did the calibration, right?
Yes.
So are the records for calibrations being, maintained in a properly manner? The record?
We have the record. We have the table for calibration standard record.
So did you keep the record?
We keep the record here.
You keep it there, just there.
Yes.
You did not keep it somewhere safe. I mean, in the future, if you want to retrieve it,
We did.
you just kept there.
Yes.
The record.
Yes.
Okay. and if there any broken machine or some.
Or if if the machine are broken, we will ask the person responsibility to repair.
Alright, okay. Okay, so is the cleaning of facility conducted in such manner to avoid contamination?
Yes, connected to contaminate.
Okay, the processing areas maintained are free from insects, rodents, and
Yes, the premise area free from insect evidence. Yes.
So is insecticides and rodenticides used and stored as prevent contamination of product?
We store the pesticide and insecticide out the premise, but it will help to avoid the pesticide into the premise, to this room.
So you use the pesticide, like keep it somewhere else?
Keep it somewhere else, not in this room.
Alright, okay. So are the equipments are clean at intervals frequently enough to avoid contamination?
Yes, the machine, we will keep the machine always clean, so it will avoid from the contamination.
So are the responsibility for overall area sanitation specifically assigned to an individual?
Yes, we have the individual that has responsibility to make sure the machine, the room in a good condition.
Such as a head cleaner.
Yes, we have a head cleaner to maintain the premise clean.
Okay. So is the processing conducted in a manner to prevent contamination?
Yes, the processing will prevent the contamination.
Alright, okay, that's all.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.